Hello, my dear student. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. My name is Prabhat Kumar Nagesh, your new science teacher. Okay, I hope you all will be fine. From today, we are going to discussion about the chapter number 8. The chapter name it is that what? Body movement. Now, first of all, let's look what actually the body movement. Okay, so we are taking the example related to the body movement in our daily life. Which kinds of the movement you observe whenever you playing football, basketball, jumping, then running, walking. These are the activity you doing daily. But you know, are you observe that how it's happen like that? These are a movement. How it's happen? You know, you don't know. And second one it is that what? This is the second type of the movement. How it's happen? Third one it is that this. How it's happen? Many times we confused how it's happen. So today we going to discussion about the body movement. Okay. So first of all, let's look the table. What we write here in the place of blank? What actually the ask? How do animal move from place to place? Many students able to give the answer of this table. Okay, but now first of all I explain how body movements occur, how it happen. These are the animal list in the column number first. Column number second, here we can write what? Body part which used from moving place to place. Now in third column we would write in the place of blank what? How does the movement occur? Okay, and where it's happen. In the column number third, in blank places we are fill up. Okay. Now, first of all, you look this is the cow. You have seen the cow? Yes, I hope you have seen the cow. Cow have used legs for moving one place to another place. What cow use? Legs. Okay, cow have 4 legs and cow use legs to moving place to place. And how does this happen? Now with the help of legs and walk the cow and travel one place to another place. Okay, second one is that what? Human, like we. In human category we are also come under this category of human. Children, adult, then male, female, those are come under the human. Now how you are moving and which part of your body taking movement, like that in cow legs are taking for movement, in human as well. Human is also use what? Legs for moving one place to another place. Okay, now third one it is that what? We are walking, jumping, running. Okay, these are the activity with legs we are moving one place to another place. Okay, so like a walk, jump, and third one it is that what? Running. Good, running. Okay, now third one it is that what? Snake. You have seen a snake? Oh bapre. Yes, you have seen a snake, but snake have no any kind of the leg. So how its movement, how it's whenever a snake want to reach another places. So how move? So snake whole body parts involved to move one place to another place. Whole body part. Okay, you have seen the video down towards. Please see. Now third minute is that what? Which parts of taking place and how it's happened, like the snake. A snake whole body parts involving to move one place to another place and during the Schnither. Okay, now third one, it is that what? Bird, which part of the body organ of birds taking place to moving one place to another place? So this is a wing. What? Wings. The bird have wings taking help to fly one place to another place, moving one place to another place. Now this is the insect have two types. Some insect flying, some insect walking, okay. So when some insect are flying, so flying with the help of wings, and what you do? Flying. Okay, now second last, it is what? Fish. You know, have you ever seen the fish? Yes, I know you have seen the fish inside of the marine or aquatic. Now fish, what he doing? Fish, the wings have wings. With the help of wings, fish move one place to another place, and also doing what? Swimming. Now last one, it is that what? Earthworm. You know how what is the structure of earthworm? Please see like that. During the rainy season in road, whenever you see, everywhere you see what? Earthworm. And what the uses of earthworm? Earthworm is make usable, is make soil usable. Okay, usable. Now earthworm, it's also take whole body parts to move one place to another place. Okay, whole body taking parts. Now and same kinds of the snake, earthworm is also have movement. So here also we can write what? Slither. Okay,